Good morning, dear children. Myself, Rajan Nasi, English language teacher in Vishwamanava Iyer Primary School. Dear children, we can see many types of transportation in our universe. Yes, like uh, land transportation, water transportation, air transportation. Yes, these three types of transportation are very important to the person to go one place to another place. With the help of this type of transportation, a person going to one place to another place. Yes, dear children, observe the picture and tell modes of transportation. Carefully observe the pictures and tell modes of transportation. Train, bus, airplane. Dear children, think yourself you are lost in the desert and don't find the route to get back. Yes, you are lost in the desert and do not find a route to get back. Imagine yourself, children. You are lost in the desert. There is nobody can with you. There is no one with you help to you. You were lost in the desert. What you have do? Think yourself, dear children. In same previous question, you were lost in an ocean. You were lost in an ocean with your ship. Nobody can with you. Then nobody can with you. Then you were lost in an ocean with your ship only. At the time, you don't know to find a place to land. What you have do at the time? Lost in the ocean. Yes, dear children, this is compass. This is mariner compass. Lighthouse. This is lighthouse. This is also lighthouse, but this is a desert lighthouse. But this is desert lighthouse. Dear children, what we have seen until now, these are all pictures helps to the people, or helps to the sailors, or helps to the people to find a place or to find a new place and to find a their destiny. With the help of all those things, the people reach their place. Yes, let's come to the lesson, dear children. In your sixth standard, the first lesson is the lighthouse. Raju and his father Madhav were very happy that day. Dear children, here we have to carefully observe. We have to carefully observe because when I am going to read a lesson, your concentration on my voice, where I am going to given the stress on which word, on where I am going to given a low voice on which word, and observe the apostrophes, comma, full stop, all those things you have to observe and carefully listening with comprehension, not only listening with comprehension. Okay, Raju and his father Madhav were very happy that day. Raju was especially thrilled because his father would take him out on a visit to the lighthouse. They started out in the evening by 5 p.m. and reached the shore by 6 p.m. Madhav pointed out to the lighthouse in the distance. It was a tall, strong building in the shape of a tower with powerful lights at the top. Yes, Raju and his father, Madhav, were very happy that day. Here, Raju was son of his mother. Raju one day promised to his son to take him out on a visit to the lighthouse. Mother promised to his son who to take him out on a visit to the lighthouse. when this type of words comes from his father, Raju was very thrilled and excited about the lighthouse. How all those things suddenly comes in the minds of the Raju. How the lighthouse and the where is the lighthouse and where it is located and how it works. All those questions are all those curiosity about the lighthouse comes in the minds of the Rajiv. They started out in the evening by 5 p.m. and reached the shore by 6 p.m. This is the duration what they were father and son going to visit the seashore. Yes, they were already reached the seashore. Madhav pointed out to the lighthouse in the distance. They were already reached the seashore and standing in front of the seashore. Now, Madhav was going to describe about lighthouse to his son Rajiv. Yes, it was tall, strong building in the shape of a tower with powerful lights at the top. Yes, he described about lighthouse. My dear child, it was tall, strong building in the shape of a tower. What you have seen this lighthouse? This is a very tall and strong building in the shape of a tower. Like tower with powerful lights at the top. It has powerful lights at the top because in night the lights guides to the sailors. Yes, Raju asked father, after all those things happened, Raju curiosity not end, not complete, it continue. Yes, Raju asked his father, Papa, what is the use of these lighthouses? Papa, what is the use of these lighthouses? Madhav said, or Madhav replied to his son Raju, oh my dear child, they help the sailors to know where the land is and what place they are near. This type of lighthouses to help the sailors. Sailors means one who across in the sea or one who travel in the sea. We call sailors. Raju, the lighthouses help the sailors to know where the land is and what place they are near. If somebody had, if somebody was in the middle of the sea, suddenly ship was not run at the time. Oh, at the time this type of lighthouses helps them and come out from the a problematic place. Yes, sometimes they are on the seashore and sometimes in the sea. This type of lighthouses built sometime they are on the seashore and sometimes in the sea. Both were in the on the banks of the ocean and sometimes in the middle of the sea built. They are in places which are dangerous to ships and they help to warn and guide the sailors. Yes, listen carefully. Here, they are in places which are dangerous. They are in places somebody has problem in the middle of the sea. At the time, this type of lighthouses helps to them and come out from the obstacles and dangerous to ships. Yes, they help to warn and guide the sailors. It is also warn the sailors and guide to them and which is the right way and which is the right path where we have to go and where we have to land and which place was very nearest to us and which place is very safest to us. These are all information we can get from the lighthouse. Yes, dear children, I will stop here. Continuity of this lesson part we will continue in next class. Okay. So huh?